Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 3rd, 2023. It's my weekly market review where I'm looking at the Dow 30 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suited for you. All right. Let's just take a quick look at these charts and see what's been happening here this past week and what do I see going forward. Let's actually zoom on in here on this quarterly chart, and we'll start here. On the quarterly chart, this is a big green quarter, kind of expected, unexpected. It actually crossed my 360 mark. The question is, it has made yearly highs, which was kind of expecting on the Dow. The question is, can it make all-time highs? I would say yes. It's only like $6 away, but that's really about $600 on the big one on the Dow. So yeah, then the Dow definitely can move $600 on a month. And also, yes, all-time highs are coming by the end of the year. So I kind of expect that. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart, the Dow got bullish, had crossed that 10 moving average, that 9 moving average, which one of you may be using. Last month we was kind of expecting it to go higher, and it has gone higher. I definitely kind of expected to reach this R2 level, and all here on these quarterly pivots and stuff. The question is, can it reach an R3 level? And if it does even get close, it's going to be breaking all-time highs. So I kind of expect it to break all-time highs, but this might be the point where it actually slows down at. But don't know. The market can do whatever it wants to do, and but I do definitely see it making all-time highs. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart. These past few weeks, this market has been moving, and it came down to a bottom, almost touch, the two again below the 50. This is the 50 and the 200 moving averages that I have on this chart here. It came down below the 50, almost not even kind of not quite to the 200, but once it made this bottom here, and I gave you this big green bullish looking candle here, it hasn't turned back. We continue making higher lows and higher highs, and so here on the weekly chart, making a higher low and a higher high, and at the range that these candles have been, I really kind of almost expect us to break this all-time high next couple of weeks, I'll say, maybe before Christmas, So you might have your Christmas, you've had your Christmas rally before Christmas already, and it may continue, up to Christmas and all to get this all-time high. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily noise and wrap this on up. The daily noise here, as we see it, the Dow has been the one that's just been trending up, even on the daily chart. It gave us kind of like a nice, it got here at this level, this is my 350 level, and it kind of based just for a few days, made a pop above it, came back not quite and touched that level, and it's just been going. It kind of slowed down a little bit there, but the Dow has been the one that's been really on the move. This is why I look at all of them. I've gotten where I would trade the Dow every now and then, but I have to be honest, I haven't traded it in the last couple of weeks, and I'm looking at my chart here and looking at this thing. Wow, it's been really moving. It's been moving more so than I really expected to move, But the Dow is a whole different animal when it comes to trading it anyway, with its options or with the future contract. If you're not used to seeing these large candles like you got here the last couple of days here, you're used to seeing these little candles like what you get here moving on the Dow. And although it has happened before where you get some large candles with some pretty good trending days, but usually the Dow just usually doesn't trend nice enough for me to really want to be spending too much time trying to trade it. And that's all. Again, a swing off to the trading. That means that this must be all I have for you guys today on this weekly market review. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.